Since I already explained so since I already explained the hourglass pattern, this pyramid pattern already has the corresponding codes. This also have the codes for the bottom part of the hourglass pattern. So first we identify the variables values. So n is 5, for example, is 5, and I is equal to 1. So first we check the outer loop and check the conditions. Since n is equal to 5, I have the picture here. Oh, oh. So since n is equal to 5, first outer loop is for the number of rows. Since I uses 5, so there would be 5 rows for this pattern. So I is equal to 1 given on the outer loop condition. So since this is I plus plus, so we just increment. We just add 1. We just plus 1 every on the initial value of I. So the value of I would be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and plus 5. So the next thing to do, based on the video that I watch, so we have to run 5 times the outer loop since we have 5 rows, right? So the value of the next is, then we check the inner loop. After we run the outer loop 5 times, we proceed to the inner loop. Let's check for the first inner for loop. So j is equal to 1, and this is the formula to get the value of j, which shows the number of space or kung ilan yung space na ma-output niya. So since this is j plus plus, we just increment every time we run each rows. We just add 1. So the first value is 1. The formula is n minus I. The value of n is 5 minus the value of I is 1. This is for the first row. So on the first row we output. So on the first row, we output 4 space. Since the first inner for loop displays, if you meet the condition of first inner for loop, if you meet the condition, it will display a space. So we're gonna display 4 spaces. But before that, let me finish until we reach to the, and I'll show you the pattern. So the next one is, we just increment every time we run, every time na pumunta mag-proceed tayo sa next row. So, 5 minus